Okay, welcome guys. It is Monday night, July 21st, in preparation for Tuesday, July 22nd. I'm gonna skip over the book tonight. I just pardon me, I haven't been feeling the best today and want to kind of relax here this evening. But just a couple things here, not a whole lot to go over. We've been leaving a couple of these spike tails up here on the daily, from the last 2 days here. So just want to be aware of that. Starting to leave these spike tails up here. We are rolling over in the slow line as well as the fast line as we've made these new highs here. So that's kind of indicative of some potential turnaround. On the 60-minute .D chart, let's go there. I may have to pull some more data in. Let me see here real quick. Come on. There we go. Okay. So on the .D chart, we still have a couple of these gaps down here below. We're pretty far removed from these time frame wise. I don't know if we're going to come back down and fill these, anytime soon here. But I can see, well, I mean, it's not terribly out of the question, really. In this last push up here on the .D, you can see that we did that spike and channel today. Yet on that last push up, we kind of started rolling over here in the slow line and the fast line. So we want to be conscious of that. Also, I wanted to pull over the 60-minute chart here, the regular 60-minute chart, and show on this that we've got some low developed areas. So we have this low developed area here from this spike up this morning, and then the spike down this afternoon kind of left a little bit of a low developed area that I boxed out here. So that low develop is kind of like single print. We could get some back and fill into that tomorrow. Um, so tomorrow I have it as a sell short day. So that could, according to the Taylor method of trading, Dustin, that's that book that I told you is a little bit hard to read through. But according to the Taylor system, tomorrow's a sell short day. But you got to look out for, if we have a sell short day, lows made first, then it's a buy. If it's a sell short day, highs made first, then it's a sell. So we want to kind of keep that in mind tomorrow. Um, so that's on the agenda there. Oh, so that's a 60 minute. We also have on the 65,000 tick chart. I think I put it on here. Yeah, so you can see it on here on the 65,000 tick chart. Well, you can see it on any of them. Um, uh, but that's where we had a quarter point failure poke through this morning. So we had a high of 74. Then on that last push up, we hit 73, 75. So this is 73, 75, 74. So this one only hit 72.50. The next push up, we only made it to 74. Then we only made it to 73, 75. So we had a quarter point failure on that push, and that led to kind of this pushback down here on the 65,000 tick chart. So you can see kind of some of the low developed area on here on the, according to the ticks, we have this low developed area and we kind of have these low developed areas here. So, that kind of opens up quite a bit for 63.36 up into, I mean, you can even come up in here a little bit, but let's say 63.65. So we want to kind of watch some of those low developed areas tomorrow, see if we do any back and fill in there. On the internals, of course, we were down here below this 1648, but yet we've moved up and closed back above that. That move up came into the end of the day there, where that we really started dropping off there. That's where we started that VIX start making a move back up, taking out its prior levels there and moved up. So that was a good end of the day shorting opportunities there. If anybody caught that, sounds like Buddy did a little bit. So that was good. But yeah, so got a little bit of divergence here on the new highs of the day. So that's what's interesting is, you had on the SPY here, you spiked up here, new all-time high on this little bit of divergence here yet again. So anyway, a couple things to keep in mind there. Watch out for. We've got Powell tomorrow morning at 8:30 on the calendar. And then let's just play safe and have fun. All right, guys, we will follow up soon. Thanks.